Yeah, I'm at a castle. This is very famous castle. It's, I can't remember, it's that one. And it's on the way to the Isle of Skye, so not quite the Isle of Skye, but I'm on the way there now. Yeah, it's possibly the most photographed, videoed and droned castle probably in the world, maybe, who knows. I say that because, well, obviously I was droning, but there's two other guys waiting to drone, and you can't drone till after 6 o'clock. For the fact they got a massive sign saying you can't drone kind of proves there's a lot of droning going on. Yeah, it's really, really nice. It's going to be quiet now. Ah, there you go. Might see a bit better now. The sun's gone in. I suppose I better move on. All right then. Come on then. Let's go. Morning, Keno. How are you this morning? You all right? Hey. Kissy, kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, look all these glasses I'm wearing. Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the second part of my weekend in Skye. I hope you watched the last one. If you didn't, here's a few little clips. I'm not sure how exciting today is going to be, or what we're going to see. But, but we're going to get out, have a look, and do some filming. Yes. First off, while you've had your breakfast, I'm going to have mine. Okay, let's get to it. Nice. Well, we're not going to do that now, are we? We're not going to play ball right here, are we, Keno? So he wants me to throw the ball for him here. Right, here we go, back on the road. Okay. There we are, you alright, Keno? Good boy. Watch the tarmac for me, watch the tarmac. Shout out if you've seen the potholes, yeah? Good lad, good lad. Oh. Let's have a look. Yep, going down here. So we've come to Dunvegan Castle. It's just over there. I'm going to try and film it with the drone in a minute. Just going to stretch out Keno's legs because he wants to get out. He wants to stretch those legs. So we're going to do that, but no ball for him though. No ball for him. Beautiful here. Really nice. Ooh. Right, Kino. So one thing that definitely happens in a lot of my trips is my plans change all the time, very, very quickly. And they've changed again today. I really wanted to go down to a beach. Oh, what's it called? What's it called? Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue, tip of my tongue. 1 second. I'm going to find out. All right. Got the notes. Taliska Beach. See, I do write notes. I know I don't seem very professional, but these are written down, but they just don't go in. That's where I wanted to go. So I had a look on the map, and the road down to it stops a long way from the beach. And I looked on sort of Google Earth or Street View. There's nowhere really to park, and there's so many people about. I think if I go down there, it's going to be a bit of a no-go. So sorry, Kino, no beach today. But you know, he went in the sea, didn't he? He got lots of rocks, which is cool. I did manage to drone the castle, Dunvegan Castle. Now, the castle was a very long way from me, and because it's a new drone, and I really get itchy when I fly that far away. I kind of get really worried that something's going to go wrong, I'm going to lose signal, because it has happened in the past. So I kind of chicken out. So what you saw was pretty much as close as I could get, and that was about about half a mile away, I think, 3/4 of a mile away from where I was. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do now? Yes, so it's lunch, and I'm going to run the drone up there, look quite nice. I'm going to show you where I am right now. Let's do that. Sorry, what was that you said? You want to know what I'm having for lunch? Well, I'm going to tell you. We have a nice panini here. We've got some pesto underneath. We've got some, what's this stuff? Spanish chorizo stuff. We got roasted veg that I made yesterday. Look at that. Tomato from my own garden. And some dodgy cheese on the top, under the grill. I tell you, it's blinding. Blinding, I tell you. All right. It's all in the presentation, remember? All in the presentation. Yeah, blinding, blinding. Right, so we're going to stay here the night because it's nice, apart from all the midges, but they're everywhere. I'm thinking, because I've got my new drone, I did a bit of active tracking earlier, which is all right, but I really want to try it out properly. Now, if you look behind me here, we've got this beautiful woodland area here, which is just, look at that. I have no idea how the drone's going to cope with that. So I'm going to walk down. I'm going to walk down through there and see what the drone does. Let's give that a go. That'd be fun, I'm sure. Hopefully it won't hit anything. All right. This little beauty, that was amazing. I'm blown away with how good that was. I mean, it could have been better. I've looked at the footage back, but it's pretty darn good. It couldn't make up its mind. It was going a bit like this, a bit like that, but really good. Really impressed. If you like the look of my camper, I'm not going to give you a full tour now, but I'm probably going to do a walk around video at some point, because I built it all myself and it took about a year to do. I'm very proud of it, and it does me a treat. So yeah, look out for that if you're interested. doing the drone. That was the fairy pools over there. And I could have got the drone a lot closer, a lot lower, but I didn't feel comfortable with it because there's a lot of people down there, so I thought I'll keep it nice and high and out of the way of everyone. I'm not even sure if you're allowed to drone in that area, so went a bit stealth with it. So we didn't go all the way down, we just stayed on the hill here because there's too many people and quite a few dogs as well. And Keno would lose his shit basically if he saw another dog. Right, I'm gonna get back to the camper. Have a coffee. Coffee. Okay, look at him. Look at this. Look. Yes. Hey, what's he like? Yeah. Hey, all right for some, isn't it? That's it for today. Let's do some more tomorrow. Yeah, we'll do some more tomorrow. Good morning. Just so you know, this is about the 5th time I've filmed this little segment in the morning here because people keep driving by. I kind of wanted to do it so it looked really quiet and I'm on my own, but I'm not really. You saw how many tourists there were yesterday, but it's still going on this morning. Doesn't matter what the weather, how they come. Anyway, look, there it is, and they're the fairy pools down there. So yeah, we are up early because he needs to go out and do his business. And what are we going to do? We're going to go back, have some breakfast, pack up, head off the Isle of Skye over to a little fishing village. And that's going to be about it, unfortunately, for me for this weekend, because I've got to get home and get back to work. Don't want to work. Oh, I know. Okay, hurry up, Keno. I'm hungry. I need some breakfast. Just got to wait for him. Do his bit. Okay. Here we are in Plockton, and the weather has cheered up no end, I can tell you. It's very still out there. I think I'll get the drone out in a minute. Clearly you can see what he wants to do. Let's do a bit of that first. Oh, getting deep. Well, there you have it. That's Plockton for you, and very nice it is too. It's almost like the sort of place I could live here. You know, I could move here when I'm a bit older, maybe. That's about it for today. For this whole weekend, in fact, I've now got to go back home, back to work. Ooh, I know nobody likes work, but we've all got to do it, haven't we? What next? Well, please do press the subscribe button and the thumbs up, because that gets the old YouTube algorithm working. And if you like this, then hopefully I'll try and bring you some more. I know I rattle on a bit, and maybe that's why you tune in, who knows. Till next time, thank you again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.